G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're going to take my wonderful chili from the other day and we are going to make another dish out of it. For this one I'm using my little Sunbeam Pie magic. Throw a link down in the bottom. It's an Amazon affiliate link, so of course, normal YouTube disclaimer, I do get a little bit of money if you buy something through an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it doesn't have to be the pie maker that you buy. You can go there and get something else. All right, so we've got our pie maker warmed up. We've got our sheets of puff pastry. Now I just use the pre-made pastry for this. It's just quicker and easier than trying to bang out a heap of puff pastry by hand. So fit 2 bases on 1 sheet. And also the 2 tops. Now with your bases, once you've got them cut to size, just need to pick them up and then fold the edges on those little cuts, and that will give you your pie shape. Okay, I like to make sure that my tops are free at the same time. So I've got both my bases made up, the tops are free, so everything's ready to go. We have our chili mix and we have some cheese to go in on top as well. Okay, from there, in we go with both of our bases. Fill in with our wonderful chili. Don't want to overfill them. The top section is going to fall down and form the outside crust, which is where we get the join. Okay, plenty of cheese. On we go with our tops. And then just close it down. And now we just leave that cook until the pie itself's browned up. That'll warm up the insides, get the pastry cooked. Beautiful thing. All right, a few minutes later, there we go. Beautiful browned up pies. Looking absolutely gorgeous. They can head over there to cool down. While the last lot's cooking, I make sure to get the next lot ready, and that way I can just keep putting them through. I've got about half a dozen pastry sheets, so I'll get all these made up and join you back soon. And there we go, the last of them is done. Alright, make sure if you have chickens, don't let that go to waste. Toss it in the oven, just give it a little bit of a cook through, and chickens will absolutely love you for that, having that pastry. We started with, well, a reasonable size bowl of leftover chili, and we end up with a dozen pies. Absolutely magnificent. It goes from, one meal to, this gives me a couple of weeks of lunch at work. Fantastic. You know, I really like using leftovers this way. The spaghetti pies recipe that I done a while back, same sort of thing. Just turns a leftover into a new meal. All right, the big question is, how does it taste? And the answer is absolutely magnificent. You see we've got that layer of cheese up against the crust there. That beautiful chili through it. Absolutely magnificent. All right, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.